Hi, right now we are going to install a new theme. When you log into your WordPress site for the first time, you will see your dashboard, which pretty much looks like this. You can adjust this and to your liking, but that's something we will do later on. For now, the first thing we are going to do is install a new theme, which is more responsive. We can do that by clicking on Appearance and then Themes. And when you click the button Add New, you will get the screen where you can search for themes. And we are going to search for the theme named Astra, sorry. By typing in the name in the box, in the search box here, you will get two results here. And this is the theme that we are looking for. And you can install the theme just by clicking on install. And you will see that it's installing right now. And it's already installed. You can see it right here. So the second thing we have to do is activate the theme because it is installed but not yet activated. We can do that by simply clicking the button activate. And we have activated the Astra theme. And I'm going to show you what your website looks like right now. If someone would visit your website, it probably looks like this. So you would see the first post, hello world. And over here we have a search box. We have one sample page that comes with the installation. The bottom, the footer, it has copyright notation there, but also powered by Astra WordPress theme. Well, these are the kind of things that you want to get rid of and make your own brand, but we will get to that later. First, we're going to get rid of some clutter. Um, that's for example the first post we want to get rid of, and then also the search box. And yeah, these are widgets, and you probably want to get rid of these. Well, that's something I always do. So in order to remove this first post here, you can go to posts and then all posts. And here you see the post that is called Hello World. And by clicking on trash, you see the post has gone to trash. And when I reload my site, you see that the post is gone. So that's good. Now, to clean up some clutter on the right side, you would have to go to Appearance, and then you go to Widgets. Now, here you see the main sidebar, which has these widgets underneath it. You can check if there are widgets in here, but this is probably empty. Yep. So what you can do to get rid of those is clicking a widget and then dragging it to the left. And you see that under main sidebar, everything is now gone. And when you reload your site, you now see that the clutter on the right side is now gone. So that's good. It looks very clean. Don't worry. We will fill the site with content in the next coming videos. Now you can see that here is the sample page. This is the last thing we want to get rid of actually. You can do that by going to pages and I click on all pages. We want to keep this one. It's the privacy policy. We will edit this page later on. And this is your sample page. And again, by clicking on trash, you can see the page has moved to trash. And when you reload your website, see, you will get a notification that the page doesn't exist anymore. When you click on the home page, you will go to your home and you will see that sample page, which was here in the menu or in the upper section in the header, is now gone. So we installed a new theme called Astra, which is very responsive, and we cleaned up some clutter, like one post, one page, sample page, and the widgets that were on the right.